Today we're going to learn how to make an amazing pesto. I popped it in some water, just some cold tap water, and covered it with this plastic and popped it in the fridge. So what I do is I pack this thing with clean basil and I literally push it down a little bit. I will fill the rest of the 2 cups with any kind of a green. So because the name of the game is to try to get as many whole plants into us as possible, I'm gonna maximize on the deliciousness of this pesto and pack in other greens. Now, whatever other greens you have, it can be things like kale, it can be arugula is amazing in it. It could be baby spinach, mature spinach. It could be even purple cabbage, ricing or finely chopping, like even broccoli. But stick to dark leafy greens. That's our plant medicine of choice. When I'm thinking about creating a pesto, I want to get a lot of greens into us. And so how I like to think of it is I'm getting a beautiful fresh herb, the basil. We're also getting any other greens that we have available to us. I love adding kale to this because kale isn't necessarily the best green to just munch on in a salad or anything. Some people love it, some people don't. So I like to hide the kale inside this pesto, and that way I'm actually getting all of the phytonutrients, phyto meaning plant, so nutrients coming from the plant, the kale plant in this case, into the people.